Quick disclaimer before we start. We do not promote or condone the use of legal or illegal substances. This video is strictly for entertainment and educational purposes. Stay safe.
Max, you're alright, bro, you're alright. I took six, bro, you're fine. You're fine, lad, you're fine. I took 6, bro.
Why have you got a yellow shit on your face, bro?
I told you, I'm a glow-in-the-dark demon, bitch.
Gurning. The grotesque face a creature may pull when they're absolutely fucking pinging.
Right, okay, so don't piss me off today because my fucking British accent's gonna start peeking through in a minute like, hello, love, you need to go sleep. But it's not because I'm fucked and it's just, I'm Australian from now on. Like, I've had some serious brain damage and now I actually believe that, like, I've been attacked by a shark and I've survived it.
What the fuck are you doing?
You wanna see? Look at the scar on my forehead, bro.
Gurners of the Galaxy merchandise now available. This guy loves it.
Hej, cítím se fajn, ale svítí na mě blesk. Ale jakože... Hej, kamo, za chvíli jdu rubat zase a je to fakt dobré, hej. A měl jsem toho hodně. Tak si, sem, podívej, vole. A už z toho bylo, už mě bolí oči.
You flaming idiots! Take this!